8 ways to save money on a budget as a student. Hello everyone, I'm Confidence. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So you can please support my channel by liking, subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get right to what we have today. Number one on my list. What is your goal for saving? It could be a long-term goal or a short-term goal. It could be to buy a phone, take a vacation, whatever your goal is. It should be something that will spur you to want to save or to keep on saving. Number two, you can download an expenses tracking app on Play Store, or you can use a spreadsheet to categorize your spending. Or if you cannot do that, you can do it the old-fashioned way by using pen and paper to put down what you spend on transportation, on feeding, on snacks, on textbook, on data and research. That will help keep you accountable. Number three, you can look out for alternatives, especially if you are someone that likes eating out. Instead of eating out, opt for cooking your own meals. Instead of spending so much money on data, if your school has a free Wi-Fi, you can utilize it to do your assignments, research work and large downloads. Instead of taking your clothes to a laundry shop, you can do your laundry yourself. These are alternatives you can use to cut down on your spendings. Number four, as a student, what are your needs? Your needs are your basic essentials, those things you cannot do without, those things you know you need as a student. Focus on satisfying them before you focus on satisfying your wants. Number five, yes, you have decided to start saving, and if you are someone that you know you will not be dedicated or committed to saving, you can use a method by which your savings or whatever amount you intend to save will be automatically transferred from your bank account to your online savings app. There are many online savings apps out there, but I use PiggyVest. In case you are interested in knowing how PiggyVest works, I'll put the link in the description box below for you to check it out. Number five, if you know those items you use a lot as a student, those food items you need a lot as a student, buy it in bulk, especially beverages, stationaries. Instead of buying in ones or twos whenever you need, opt for buying in rows, in things. It will help you a lot. It saves cost because then you are buying at a discount price. Number six, okay, you have decided to start saving and you have saved a reasonable amount of money. You can decide to take half of the money and invest in a side hustle or a small business. In my previous video, I made mention of a number of profitable side hustles or small businesses you can do as a student while in school. You can check it out. I will put the link in the description box below in case you are interested in knowing or learning about any of these businesses. Number seven, as a student, there is a tendency to eat more of junk than healthy meals because of the stress, coming back from lecture late, going for lecture early, like there's no time to cook. But try as much as possible to eat more of fruit and vegetable and cook healthy meals. It will help you a lot, because when you get sick you have to spend money on drugs and getting treatment, but when you eat healthy there is less tendency for you to fall sick and then having to spend so much money on drugs and treatment. So try as much as possible to eat healthy as a student. This will help you use your money for other things. Number eight, utilize your holiday periods to learn a skill. It will help you in the long run. In the previous video, I made mention of students that pay their rent, pay their school fees, buy their textbooks through the skill they have. You can check out any of those skills. The link will be in the description box. You can check any of those skills to see if you'll be interested in learning any of them. It will help you because then you don't have to depend so much on pocket money. You will have alternatives. You will have something to do for yourself. Check out any of them if you'll be interested in knowing or learning about it.
Would you find something more constructive to do? Learn a skill?
And also learn digital skills as well. It will help in the long run. If you don't know how to allocate your pocket money or income in a way it will satisfy your needs, your wants and your savings, you can use the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule stipulates that 50% of your income or money should be for your needs, while 30% should be for your wants, while many 20% will be for your savings. This rule will help you a lot to know how your money should be allocated so that you will know where the money is going to. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So comment in the comment box. I need to see your comments. Have you learned anything new from this video, or are you trying any of this method? Has it been helpful to you? Please comment in the comment box. I look forward to seeing your comments. Also, please subscribe for more valuable content. Bye bye.